Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Sophia. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Students, do you like to paint? You can join Miss Santana for Painting with the Swirl. There will be 2 summer sessions. Miss Santana will be teaching both sessions at Central Middle School this summer. Grades 7th through 12th are welcome to register.
The first summer session begins June 3rd to June 6th, and the second summer session is from June 10th to June 13th. Breakfast and lunch will be provided free of charge. If you have any question, email Miss Santana at.
A special announcement from Coach Stengel. Seniors, are you interested in taking cap and gown pictures? Seniors can go to his classroom in room 6111 and take pictures with their cap and gown, as well as anything else that they have like team jerseys or ROTC or whatever.
Coach Stengel will take 10 pictures and put them on a 4GB flash drive that will have their name etched on it for $20 donation. Coach Stengel has a costume background already made for the pictures that they can then take and print anywhere or post. Pictures can be a single student, couples, or friends groups. If you have any questions, see Coach Stengel in room 6111 before school or periods 1 to 3rd.
Seniors, now a message from Ms. Jameer. Seniors, if you haven't filled out a FAFSA yet, please do it so ASAP. You will be entered into a gift card drawing once you email me a screenshot that shows it was processed successfully.
Start by creating your student and parent FSA ID accounts here to verify your social security number. After that is accepted, you can access the 2024-2025 FAFSA here.
If you are starting college in the summer, also fill out the 23-24 FAFSA.
Continue to turn in your Bright Future volunteer and or work hours to total 100.
If you still need to pass the reading or math graduation requirement, May 16th is the regular registration deadline for the June 1st SAT. May 21st is the late registration deadline. May 19th is the late registration deadline for June 8th ACT. Please see Ms. Jameer for free waivers if you are on free or reduced lunch.
Check your College Board account for your 17th of April NCR SAT score and your 4th of May SAT score. You need concordance scores of 480 for reading and 420 for math.
Students, elections for our student government are starting. Please watch the campaign recorded clips after these announcements. Watch to see who you would want to represent you.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go
Big Blue!
Good morning, fellow Panthers. My name is Oscar Ellis IV, and I'll be running for president of the 2025 graduating class. For the past 2 years, I have been in student government, and I have seen groups and leaders who have succeeded in their fields. With this experience and your help, I can ensure you a great year. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alex Tres Palacios, and the leadership and qualities that I bring to this office are that I've been the JROTC program for 3 years now, and I've previously been a part of our school's indoor volleyball team, but more recently, our school's beach volleyball team. I hope to be the best class president I can be.
Hello, my name is Blake Lee. I am running for the president position of the student government. I am running to try to bring a variety of ideas of my own in the student bodies to become a reality. I was previously the class co-president of my 10th grade class, and I am currently treasurer of the student body. As a member of the student government for 3 years, I wholeheartedly believe that the student government's primary mission is to bring the student body together as a whole and to make the events for them as enjoyable as possible. I plan to make the student-led ideas more of a reality and to make a more diverse government to allow more people to feel included. I'd love to bring more of my own and other students' ideas to the government to hopefully allow them to have a voice and a chance to become a reality.
Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Spagnola and I'm running for student government president. I believe I'm best fit for this position because I've been class president for 2 years now and I'm in our National Honor Society. I've helped to start up the past few fundraisers we've done and bring as many classmates possible to SGA. I've also helped set up our past 2 homecoming dances and I volunteered throughout each of them. I'm very involved in this club and believe that next year can be even better than this one. So when voting gets started, I want you to vote for me, please, and encourage your friends to do the same. Thank you.
Good morning, fellow Panthers. My name is Oscar Ellis IV, and I'll be running for Vice President of the Student Government Association. For the past 2 years, I have been a contributing member, but with increased contribution and dedication, I, alongside our president, will represent you as a student body, ensuring a great year. Thank you.
Julius Rosario, and I'm running for SGA Vice President. I'm running for this office because I love the environment that the past officers have had for SGA, where it's inclusive and fun, and that everyone's ideas are implemented into all the events and the fundraisers. And I would like to continue that, where it's inclusive for everybody and everyone gets a say in all the events we're doing.